Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're beginning the update now. Make sure your iPhone model and iOS support 5G because hardware and firmware determine network access. Once confirmed, back up your device to avoid lost settings, then power off. Remove the SIM tray and insert the Airtel 5G SIM carefully. A misaligned SIM prevents registration. When done, power on and watch the carrier banner. You're starting the registration phase immediately to let the network recognize the new SIM and profile. You now open settings and navigate to cellular to confirm the Airtel plan appears, because iOS needs the carrier profile to enable 5G parameters. Tap the plan if you must add it, then enable cellular data and set voice and data to 5G on or 5G auto depending on battery preference. If the profile doesn't appear, reset network settings to force redownload. This clears Wi-Fi passwords, but often triggers carrier provisioning. Once set, your phone will attempt to register on Airtel 5G. You're at the final steps. Verify the status bar shows 5G and run a quick browse or speed test to confirm real connectivity, because visual indicators can mislead. If iOS prompts a carrier settings update, accept it. Those small updates enable bands and APN tweaks. If 5G still fails, restart the phone, toggle airplane mode on and off, and as a key troubleshooting move, contact Airtel with your MA for provisioning. Sometimes the operator must activate 5G on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.